We're making a soap design today using toilet paper rolls. This is how I set up my molds. The rolls are secured in place with rubber bands. I'm now mixing in my lye water. We're going to mix to emulsion. I'm adding my essential oils of lavender, patchouli, and amyris. And I'm going to before I mix all my colorants, I'm just adding a little bit of the soap base to the bottom of the mold, and then I'm going to let it sit for a bit. This is going to help prevent soap from leaking in and out from underneath the toilet paper rolls. I had also wrapped some tape around the rolls just to help decrease any of the oils absorbing into the cardboard itself. And while I let that sit, I'm going to be mixing in my colorants. I'd pre-mixed that was organic turmeric with avocado oil. This is charcoal, and the last one was organic spirulina powder. Oh, and red French clay in the larger container. Now that the base has hardened up, I'm adding more of the soap base around the toilet paper rolls. I greatly apologize for my camera not being centered in on my mold right now. I will be working on my camera skills, but right now I'm just going to be pouring alternately into the toilet paper rolls the alternating colors. And the soap batter, as you can see, is pretty thick, but it's still workable. Again, I'm soaping hot, as is my custom. Adding the next colorant of yellow, which was the organic turmeric powder. Just pouring a little bit in every mold. It's pretty simple. And just keep pouring alternating colors until your molds are filled up. And I snipped the rubber bands once I was done pouring to get the toilet paper rolls out easier. They slid out real easy, and I'm just going to plop them in my bucket as I slide them out. And then later on, once they're all out, I'm going to fill them up with the excess soap. It was slightly time consuming, but it wasn't difficult.